Guys, first of all, see my earning. Right now I have $5, which I will withdraw live. I have earned this $5 by completing small offers. This site provides daily offers by completing which you can earn a lot of money. It has a leaderboard feature whose monthly reward is $5,000. If you complete more offers, then automatically your name comes in the leaderboard list and you are rewarded according to the rank. Like Mika is at rank 1, who has earned $620 by completing only 16 offers. The reward of all the offers completed by Mika is quite high. Raid Shadow Legends Mobile Bonus. This is an offer which Mika completed an hour ago, whose reward is 225,000 points. Similarly, he has completed many offers whose points are above 1 lakh. He has earned $580 so far in this month, due to which his name has come on rank 1 in the leaderboard list and he has been given a $500 leaderboard reward. At rank 2 is Buki Blows, who has earned $641 by completing just 63 offers. He has earned $506 this month and has been given a leaderboard reward of $350. At rank 3 is Pregal, who has earned $570 by completing just 16 offers. He has earned $505 this month and has been given a leaderboard reward of $175. Similarly, there are other users too who have earned a good number of dollars this month and have also been given leaderboard rewards. This site is available in every country. People from every country can join and earn money. Joining link is given in the description. You can click on it and get $2 joining bonus. There are 3 ways to earn money on this site. The first way is feature offers. In feature offer, trending offers are given according to the country, which keep changing daily. Most of the games come in feature offer. Every game is very easy. Like this is an offer whose reward is $314.90. You will be surprised that why this site is giving so many dollars for an offer. Because guys, this is a genius and most popular site through which crores of people are earning good dollars daily. This is the first site on the internet which is paying real dollars on playing games. Magical Tiles is a music game whose reward is $81.57. As you cross the level of this game, you will get your reward. This is a very easy process. There are many other games which you can join and check. The link is in the description. The second way is offer partners. There are many offer walls in offer partners. Every offer wall is very good. I have tried all of them, and out of them I found Torox to be the best offer wall. Torox provides trending offers in which there are more offers of games, surveys, watching videos, shopping, etc. The rewards for each offer in Torox are very high. The third method is survey partners. In this you will only be given surveys. The first one is CPX Research, in which a lot of surveys are available right now. CPX Research provides you 5 to 6 surveys daily. 5-star surveys are quite easy. I have completed 22 surveys in CPX Research so far, and have earned 8,883 points. The second one is BitLabs. It also provides you 5 to 6 surveys daily, but the reward for the survey is a little less. You can try this as well. The third one is Your Survey. This is my favorite survey site. Right now there are 10 to 15 surveys available in Your Survey. I have just completed a survey. You can see next to it. Right now 610 users are completing live surveys. And today's payout of Your Survey is 139,820.73 points. Meaning today people have earned 139,820.73 points just by completing surveys. In this site, not only games, you can also earn $50 to $100 daily by completing surveys. And according to my opinion, this is the first site in the whole world to give so many dollars on surveys. If you know how to play games, how to complete surveys, how to complete offers, then you will not find a better site than this to earn money part-time. Now I will withdraw $5.10 live so that you can be assured that this site is 100% legit and genuine. I will click on the cash out option. In this, you can withdraw your earning amount through PayPal, cryptocurrency, RTM, gift card, and withdraw skin. And the best thing is that its minimum payout is $2 and it has an instant payout system. I will withdraw $5.10 through Dogecoin. Simply, I click on Dogecoin and submit my Dogecoin address and submit dollars below. After that, click on withdraw. You can see that my $5.10 has been successfully cashed out. Now I have come to the profile section. After that I will click on withdraw. Now you can see that I have received $5.10 28 seconds ago. Now, I open my Dogecoin wallet. You can see that, after deducting some taxes, for US dollars and 68 cents has been credited to my Dogecoin wallet. The special feature of this site is that you receive the payment immediately after making a withdrawal. As you can see that I have received it. How to join this site? The joining link is given in the description of the video. You will be directed to its sign up page in one click. This site has paid $68,719,410 to its users so far. This is a record-breaking amount. Do you think any other site would have paid such a high amount to its users? Share your opinion in the comments. You simply have to click on sign up. If you create your account through my special referral link, then you can win $250 sign-up bonus. After submitting email ID and password, agree to the terms and conditions and then click on sign up. After that you will receive a mail like this on your email. You simply have to click on verify email address. Now your account has been successfully created, and you are eligible to earn money. If you have any kind of doubt then comment and also subscribe to the channel. Thanks you.